Most Americans earn good money, but still live paycheck to paycheck. In 2026, inflation is high, expenses are crazy, yet some people are quietly saving thousands of dollars every year. In this video, I'll show you exactly how Americans are saving money in 2026, using a simple proven system that anyone can follow. Watch till the end, because one small mistake destroys most people's savings. Welcome to Finance SQ. On this channel, we talk about real money, real systems, not get-rich-quick lies. This video is educational only, not financial advice. If you want to build a better financial future in America, make sure to subscribe. Part 1. The real problem. Let's be honest. The biggest problem is not income. The biggest problem is lifestyle inflation. When income increases, spending increases faster. Example: someone earns $3,000 per month. They save nothing. Then income becomes $4,000. Instead of saving $1,000, they upgrade lifestyle. Better phone, more subscriptions, eating out more. Result: still zero savings. This is why 90% of Americans struggle financially, even with good salaries. Part 2. The proven 2026 saving system. Now let me show you the exact system smart Americans are using. Step 1. Pay yourself first. Before rent, before bills, before fun, you pay yourself first. The rule is simple. 20% income savings. Even if income is low, start with 5%. Example: if you earn $3,000 per month, $600 goes to savings automatically. You live on the remaining $2,400. Automation is key. Humans are emotional. Automation removes emotion. Step 2. Separate accounts. Smart savers use multiple accounts. Checking account, expenses, savings account, emergency fund, another account, future goals. When money is mixed, it disappears. Step 3. The 24-hour rule. Before buying anything non-essential, wait 24 hours. 80% of impulse purchases disappear after 24 hours. This single habit saves hundreds of dollars every month. Part 3. Real numbers. Let's do real math. Save just $500 per month. In 1 year, $6,000. In 5 years, $30,000. Without investing. Most people don't fail because they earn less. They fail because they never start. Part 4. Biggest saving mistake. The biggest mistake Americans make. They try to save after spending. Saving must come before spending. Whatever is left at the end of the month will almost always be zero. Part 5. Mindset shift. Saving money is not about being cheap. It's about buying freedom. Freedom from debt, freedom from stress, freedom to choose your future. Rich people don't save what's left. They spend what's left after saving. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It helps the channel grow. Comment, save, if you're starting this system today. In the next video, I'll explain $0 budgeting, the exact method many Americans use to control money. Make sure you're subscribed.